Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get more inventory slots inside Roblox Mobile. Now make sure to download the Roblox Mobile application inside your mobile phone and log in with your account. Now once done, after that what you need to do is just go back and go to the settings of your mobile phone. And once you're inside the settings of your mobile phone, so inside the iPhone you won't be able to do it, but if you have an Android, so you can just directly go to the developer mode, turn it on developer mode, and from the developer mode you can just go and change the width of your display for your mobile phone and set it to the 600 or 500. Now if and in iPhone I'm not able to see the settings, but in Android you will be able to see the settings of developer mode and changing width of your display. So you can just set it to 500 and 600. That is your choice. And once you do that, just make sure to restart your Roblox mobile application. And once you restart, you will be able to get it. Now some of the games you can say they also give this feature in free and paid section for paid as well, so you can just get more inventory slots in Roblox Mobile in that way. So that is a simple and easy process. You can try and get more inventory slots in Roblox Mobile.